everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video, we're doing something a little different. I have been sharing projects with you for the last few months, and I thought today I would do a haul. I haven't done one of these in a while. So is it the National Day of Giving? Or is it international? I don't know. So the day after Cyber Monday, at least here in the US, is considered the National Day of Giving. It's just a way to give back after doing all the consuming for Black Friday weekend. And Fawn was doing mystery boxes. Now, if you remember, I did one from Simon Says Stamp and got burned. And I was like, never again. But Fawn was doing one, and I was like, I can do that. So the difference is for Fawn, I'm getting Fawn, and that's it. With Simon Says Stamp, I mostly got jewelry making stuff and stuff from Tim Holtz that I will never use ever in my life. It was clearly stuff that just wasn't selling, and maybe it's the same way with Fawn, I don't know. But I decided to go ahead and get the big box. So it was like $25, $50, or $100. I hadn't bought anything. I've been really good about not buying anything. Let me tell you, I've been real good. So when they had that, I went ahead and picked it up, and I got it yesterday, and I thought we'd unbox it together. So when I see you on Friday, I will have another project for you. But in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you unboxing this mystery box. So 100% of the proceeds, I guess, went to a company that is researching metastatic cancer. Is that the right? It's meta something. I'm sorry. I apologize if I don't. Listen, my memory is that's a story for a different day. Anyway, so yeah. So if you're new here or you're just, finding me, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you'll consider subscribing if you haven't already. I'm doing Christmas cards projects, most of it, all the way through Christmas Day. And yeah, we'll see what happens going forward in 2023. I will have my Word of the Year video up in the next couple weeks. I need to sit down and get that filmed. I'm working on setting up planners. I mentioned I'm going to sit down and get that filmed. So lots of content coming your way. So yeah, so without further ado, let's head over to the craft table, and I'm going to walk you through what I got from Fawn. This is a big box. See, this is a 12 by 12 sheet of stickers, so this is a little bit bigger, so maybe that means we're gonna get some paper. So if you're unfamiliar, hopefully I talked about this in the intro, but maybe I did not, because guess what, I haven't filmed that intro yet. National Day of Giving is a day so the National Day of Giving is the day after Cyber Monday. I don't know that everybody in the world participates in that. I really don't know. You guys would have to let me know in the comments. But I know that I saw a lot of craft companies mention their participation. I know I saw Kim from My Favorite Things talk about all the organizations they supported. And I know the Fawn grab boxes, 100% of the proceeds were going to an organization that helps research for metastatic, is that the right word? Cancers. So I went ahead and went with the big box. Here's hoping that this is better than the Simon Says Stamp. I think it will be because, like, with Simon Says Stamp, they sell a little bit of everything. And that was so loaded with Tim Holtz crap that I would never use in a million years. But I enjoy basically everything Fawn. I just don't really have a lot of Fawn. I'm hoping that I get some dies, if nothing else. So we shall see. But yeah, this is a big boy. All right. Let's see. Oh, cute. Oh, I see some embossing powder. Okay, so this is a huge amount of crinkle paper. Oh, there's paper. Ooh, there's ink too. Cool. Okay. Can you see? Can you see this? Where am I going to put this crinkle paper? I guess just in the garbage. Yeah, I guess it's just going to go in the garbage. I mean, not garbage, recycling. Oh, it's going to end up all over the floor, and Roxy's going to track it all through the house. House. Not a creature was stirring except for me. Have you guys seen that Allstate commercial? Some of them are ridiculous, but that one when we're using the Nutcracker, I don't know why that cracks me up. If you're unfamiliar, if you're out of the US, Allstate is a car insurance company, and they've created this character called Mayhem, and it's just funny. I think the funniest one though is when he's like, I'm posting this dance TikTok and it's gonna get tens of views. That one cracks me. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Okay, so this box is huge. Where am I supposed to put this box? Okay, so we got a little thank you so much, Misty. A little howdy. We got some loose papers. This is for something else. So some fun papers. All right, so that's the freebie stuff. I'm guessing anything else is the good stuff. So we got an ink. This is grape jelly. That's cool. I don't know any of their inks. Got an enamel pen. You guys know I'm on enamel pens. Not really my thing, but whatever. Got a couple of mini notebooks. These are what the hell is that noise? These are 3.5 by 5 inches. So the pink one has pink lines and this blue plaid one has blue dots. Got an embossing powder, and this is rose gold. That'll be pretty. Okay, so we got a paper pad. This is all the dots. Are these new? Like I don't think I've ever seen this paper pad. But I haven't been keeping a close eye on Lawn Fawn lately. Mainly because I've been so flippin' busy. I just happened to be on Instagram at a good time. And I think I was just like watching random reels. I don't remember how I even came upon this, but I'm glad I did. And if I like it, then I may go ahead and put it on my budget for next year. Okay. Oh yeah, cute. I love their colors. You guys have seen me use some of their papers before. Fun, 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 fun. There's that. Got a stamp and die. This is year 11. Was this year's? Sorry I missed you. Sorry I missed your birthday. I didn't plan it that way. That's cute. That's really cute. Got some little bitty people. This is a Tiny Spring Friends. So there is the die and the stamp. Got Reveal Wheel Tulip add-on. I don't have a reveal wheel, so we'll have to look around with that. Got apples. Apple border. This is new, I think. Cute. Oh, fun. We got a Christmas stamp set. Heck yeah. So we have, what is this? Beachy Christmas. That is fun. Got, do I already have this stencil? You know what? I'll have to look to see if I already have the heel stencil. We've got a backdrop die. This is the rain backdrop die. Double-sided adhesive sheets. Comes with 3. Get these out of the way. Got a pouch of kindness, or happiness is a pouch full of stamps. It's cute. I don't store my stamps that way, but I don't mind it. And this is Nitpicky Winter. Is this just the one color? This is Baby Blanket. Oh, it is the same color. Well, I guess that would be good if I were making a bunch of cards, which I probably will be. These are the, let me show you guys. Spoiler. Spoiler alert. These are what I have left as far as mass producing. Aren't these cute? They're huge though. So these are gonna have to go in 5x7. And I was thinking, oh, I need to buy some 5x7 or some 12x12 cards or paper so I can do that. But those will look real pretty. Yeah. Sneak peek. Spoiler alert. So yeah, so for $100 I got how many pieces are this? 12? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 maybe, 13 pieces of 12x12 cardstock. So that right there is about 14 bucks. We've got a ink pad, we got embossing powder, got a couple of notebooks. Those three will either go, those will probably go in a giveaway. I need to have one at some point in my life. And then we got 12x12 paper, or 6x6 paper pad. We got this Stampin' Die. We got this stamp and die set. We got this stamp and die set. We've got adhesive paper. We've got a die, another die, and then a stencil. So all in all, I'm really happy about this. The only few things I won't keep, I know for sure, are the tiny ones. These little teeny tiny ones. They're just too small for me. They really are just too small for me. So I will probably be putting these in a D-stash or a giveaway. I have to check to see if I have this because I don't remember. I know I have bubbles from them. I know I have clouds from them, but I can't remember if I have heels. And then I'm definitely going to keep everything. I don't know about this because I don't have the reveal wheel. I'll have to look at this and see. That's just not something I have. But yeah, the rest of it I'm really excited about. So that's it. A little bonus video for your Saturday. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. What else do I need to tell you? All the cards I've shown are listed in the Etsy shop still. Oh, yeah. I guess that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. Hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. I can have my Gucci home. I can wear my Louis Vuitton.